Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dojo protocol token. Ticker symbol is DOAI. Now this token, it was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, July 29th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the DOAI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. This is on the Solana blockchain. You can also find the chart on Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting July 29th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section, search DOAI, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, 1 day prior to the Mexc Global listing, they do have a Kickstarter event for this token here where you could vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token, and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT. So check that out also on Mexc. Now it says Dojo Protocol is a pioneering blockchain network designed specifically for AI data monetization and GPU training. Our platform integrates advanced blockchain technology with cutting-edge AI capabilities to revolutionize how AI models are trained, developed, and monetized. Now, they do have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage. They have a Twitter, Telegram, all sorts of links, and there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a current supply of 1 billion tokens, and it says here their Gitbook or their white paper document section. You can find that at dojo-protocol.gitbook.io. So their mission is to democratize access to high-powered computing resources through blockchain technology, enabling AI developers and GPU providers to collaborate in a secure, scalable, and efficient ecosystem. Dojo Protocol's vision is to accelerate the development and deployment of AI technologies while ensuring that the economic benefits of AI advancements are accessible to the global community of users and contributors. There is GPU training layer, so this foundational layer provides the infrastructure required for high-performance AI training, accessible to users worldwide. They have the Dojo VPN, enhance your security and connectivity within the Dojo network, ensuring safe and private data transactions. They have the Dojo GPU, a decentralized platform for renting out GPU power, allowing users to earn while contributing to AI developments. And they have the Dojo Data Economy app, an innovative application that facilitates the buying, selling, and trading of data within the Dojo ecosystem, creating a vibrant market for data monetization. So They have on their document section, they have information specifically about the GPU and the VPN if you want to learn more about that. They also have a roadmap here that started in Q1 2024 with focus on research and development, R&D for Dojo protocol, development and release of the Dojo protocol type, launch of the test version of Dojo protocol, initiate promotion and marketing campaigns. Then we have Q3 2024 public launch of the Dojo protocol, start the Dojo node sale, conduct Dojo initial DEX offering, IDO, and token generation event for Dojo. Then we have the release of the Dojo GPU mining feature, the VPN testnet for user trials, and then in 2025, achieve 10,000 active GPU miners on the network and activate over 100,000 VPN nodes globally. So they have a little information about the team, just basically their names and job titles, little background. They don't have pictures or anything like that on their page. Hopefully they do have a KYC and audit somewhere or are getting one soon because I don't see one here. But the token, it says the DOAI token is the native cryptocurrency of the Dojo protocol ecosystem engineered to serve as the backbone for transactions, governance, and incentivization within the platform. As the digital oil of the advanced technology landscape, DOAI is integral to powering and facilitating the decentralized services provided by Dojo protocol, including Dojo VPN and Dojo GPU. It's a transactional currency, there's incentivization, and there is governance. So they possess governance rights, allowing them to vote on critical decisions, including protocol updates and the integration of new features and services. So if you want to follow their socials, they have a Telegram at Dojo Protocol that has 11,498 members. 100 of them are online right now. That would be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk to them about what they think about the token and the protocol. And then they have the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Dojo GPU, that has 158,500 Twitter followers. They have a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They're followed by big exchanges like Gate, Lbank, and Kucoin, and now they're getting this brand new Mexc global listing. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.